Hi everybody, Cheri Sicard, aka Cannabis Cheri here, and I'm here today to answer a viewer question about burning your weed. Yes, I got a question from one of our viewers here at YouTube, and they wanted to know if they burnt their weed in the oven, would that cause it to lose its potency? And the short answer to that is yes, if you burn your weed anywhere, it's going to cause it to lose potency. Before I get to the longer answer though, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday, and hit that like button too if you get value out of my videos, as it helps me be seen in YouTube's algorithm. Okay, you do not want to burn your weed if you can avoid it. Why? Because it will render the THC, the CBD, any of the medicinal cannabinoids in that cannabis useless. They all burn off at different temperatures, and nobody seems to know the exact temperature where all of them burn off. But if you're burnt your weed and it's black and it's toasty, you can safely assume that you have ruined the potency of that cannabis. It's also not going to improve the flavor of your edibles any either. So you want to avoid burning your weed. Whether you're baking, whether you're decarboxylating, and if you don't know what that is, I'll put a link in the comments below. It's best to use a lower temperature for a longer time than a higher temperature for a shorter time, if you can. So bottom line, yes, avoid burning your weed. Now, if it's just a little bit toasty and isn't charred, you might try using it. You might want to augment that with a little more weed that isn't quite so cooked, but you might still be able to get some potency out of it. But if you've burnt it to where it's charred, yeah, you're probably going to have to write off that batch. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news. Keep the temperature lower and slower. And I'll put a link to how to properly decarb. That will give you all the details of that in the comments below. Hope this helps. See you all next time. Bye-bye.